Hey guys, I'm just showing you this Bidetbuddy, this portable and the small handy storage case. This case is sold separately on their website, so this is not indexed or this do not come with the product. And this is actually to save in the Bidet inside safely and then carry anywhere you want. So it's a very nice you can see a nice zipper, the felt or the foam thing inside, or the little soft touch inside, so that it will not scratch or do anything. And then you can easily zip, and this will save your Bidet. So say like this is the case, you can just store in your Bidet in here, the portable Bidet body here, and just lock it down, and then you can just carry it anywhere. So very nice protective solid case from the top, so that this will not go anywhere, and you can easily store it. You can also store the charging cable uh, on the side so that it will be easy for you to carry all in one. So very nice case as well.